Hello and welcome back to Making It Out of the Woods. Now this week I've been looking for somewhere to store my pins. The problem is I've got no more room in my voodoo doll and you can't keep sticking them in your eyes. So I thought it was probably time I made a pin cushion, and this is it. So to make the pin cushion I used a cottonball from Hobbycraft, but you can get them online, some tulip wood, but you can use any wood you like, a pack of pins for illustration purposes, a scrap of fabric, I'm using Harris tweed, and a fox. I began the project by drilling a pilot hole to take the worm screw. The worm screw then gets placed inside the chuck. And with the worm screw secure, you screw the blank up onto the chuck until it meets the jaws at the back. And then I bring the tailstock up just to provide some support to the front of the blank. All the prep done, let's get wood whirling. Whilst you're watching me hollowing, I want to talk to you about Patreon. So Patreon is a platform that allows artists and creators like me to earn a monthly income from the content that we create. And as a patron and member of my Foxy community, you can be an active participant in what I personally create. Your pledge, no matter how small, will help my channel to grow and allow me to continue making videos that you enjoy. It's easy to sign up, just click my Patreon link in the description below and follow the online prompts. I'll be super excited to have your support. Thanks for listening. made sure that the hollow I made was slightly larger than the ball because I had to allow for the thickness of the fabric that the ball will later be wrapped in. You'll see. tried several different techniques to wrap the ball in the fabric. This didn't work too well. I think it would work if it was cut, stitched and glued, but I didn't want to mess around with that. So in the end, I end up chopping the ball in half, wrapping it in the fabric, which is much simpler, putting a big blob of hot glue in the bottom of the turned base, and that seemed to do the trick. Just time to pop the pins in. Not quite as satisfying as jabbing a voodoo doll, but what can you do? A girl can't have too many, more than one begins to be frowned upon. I'm only kidding. Okay, thanks for watching. As always, stay foxy, and I'll see you on the next one.